Are you facing installation paused issues when installing the new update on your Apple Watch from your iPhone? This usually happens due to low battery, poor internet connection, or syncing problems. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the installation paused issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you're connected to your internet network, like Wi-Fi or mobile data. You have a stable internet connection. Turn on and turn off airplane mode. Make sure your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery and is connected to its charger. Now follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check storage. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on General. Check available space. If needed, delete some apps or media. Solution 2. Reset sync data. Grab your iPhone. Open the Watch app. Now tap on General. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Now simply tap on Reset Sync Data. Solution 3. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi, password, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's how you can solve the installation pause issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.